Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of watermelon gardening. There's nothing like biting into a juicy slice of watermelon on a hot summer day. It's pure magic, and you can grow these beauties right in your own backyard. We'll walk you through essential tips for a bountiful watermelon harvest, from choosing the perfect spot to knowing when to pluck that ripe melon. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. First things first, those watermelons need their sunshine. Find the sunniest spot in your garden, one that gets at least 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. Watermelons love well-drained soil. Sandy loam is the ticket. It's all about that perfect balance for roots to thrive. Before planting, use a soil pH tester to ensure it falls between 6.0 and 6.8. This balances nutrients perfectly for your watermelons. Now, let's give those watermelons a nutritious boost. Mix in some good old organic compost to your soil before planting. It's like giving them a gourmet meal. Your plants will love it. When choosing your watermelon seeds, always opt for disease-resistant varieties. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you have a short growing season, start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost. Once the danger of frost has passed, it's time to transplant those seedlings into your well-prepared garden bed. Watermelon vines love to sprawl, so give them room. Space plants 3 to 5 feet apart. A good layer of mulch around your plants helps retain moisture, enrich the soil, and keep pesky weeds at bay. Watermelons are very thirsty plants, especially during flowering and fruiting. Make sure they get a good, deep watering regularly. Water plants at the base to prevent fungal diseases. During those early growth stages, make sure to give your watermelons a balanced fertilizer to encourage their healthy development and robust growth. Once you start seeing flowers, switch to a phosphorus-rich fertilizer to give those blooms a significant boost in growth. If you don't see many pollinators, gently hand-pollinate flowers to ensure fruit production. Watch for common watermelon pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Prevention goes a long way. Rotate your crops yearly to prevent soil-borne diseases. Prune excess vines to help the plant direct energy towards producing delicious watermelons. In cooler climates, use black plastic mulch. It helps warm the soil around your plants. Watch for signs of overwatering, like yellowing leaves. It's better to underwater than overwater. One way to tell if your watermelon is ripe is to check the tendrils near the fruit. When they dry out, it's a strong indication that it's ready to harvest. Look for a creamy yellow spot on the underside. It's a sign of ripeness. Give that watermelon a gentle tap. A ripe one will have a deep hollow sound indicating it's ready to eat. Depending on the variety, watermelons are usually ready to harvest in 80 to 100 days after planting. It's a rewarding moment for every gardener. Use a sharp knife to carefully cut the watermelon from the vine, leaving a short stem attached for freshness. Store your freshly harvested watermelons in a cool, dry place to enjoy them for as long as possible. Watermelons are heavy feeders, so avoid planting them near competing crops like potatoes that might steal their essential nutrients. Train your watermelon vines to grow in a specific direction, especially helpful if you have limited space. If you live in a windy area, protect young plants with temporary barriers until they're strong. Make it a habit to regularly remove any weeds that pop up around your watermelon plants to ensure they grow healthy and strong. With love and care, you'll harvest juicy watermelons in no time. Well, there you have it. Our top tips for growing the sweetest, juiciest watermelons right in your backyard. I hope you'll feel inspired to give it a try. Gardening is all about patience, know-how, and heart. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening goodness. Share your watermelon journeys with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you all. Happy harvesting, everyone. Thanks for watching.